Hey friends, if you encounter the IQRL not dispatched level 0x000008 blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. There is no definite resolution to this. I checked across forums online. I did not find one single solution. So we can try general troubleshooting for blue screen of death errors. The first one is to restart your computer, though it won't work much. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart the computer. The next solution is to disconnect peripherals. Okay, peripherals in the sense like printers, scanners, cameras. Why? Because they push their own drivers to the system, and those drivers will conflict with the existing drivers in the computer, and this conflict can cause the blue screen of death error. The third solution is disk cleanup to free up disk space on the system. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all of these boxes here except for the system restore one. Click on OK and then click on delete files. The next solution will be an SFC scan to fix missing and corrupt system files. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update drivers. Okay, and how are drivers updated? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Options, click on Optional Updates and install all of these optional updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.